Hello everyone, welcome to Lakshaya's Learning Lounge. Today we're going to explore a chapter that can be tough to many people, square roots and cube roots. Let's make this easy and fun to learn. In square roots, we will be exploring three main methods: prime factorization, long division, and decimal with long division. These three methods will help you solve any square root problem, even the biggest number and even numbers with decimals as we have it. Let's start with 625. We're going to first tackle the prime factorization method, which is basically the ladder method. 625, ladder method. Take the least common factor, let's say 5, 125, 5, 25, 5, 5, 5, 1. Basically, 5 125s are 625, 5 25s are 125, and 5 5s are 25. And 5 1s are 5. Since this is square roots, we're going to take pairs. We have two pairs of 5 over here, 4 5s. So 5 into 5, one pair each. 5 into 5 is 25, which means square root of 625 equal to 5 into 5. Square root 625 equal to 25. There you go, our answer. Let's try another number, 3136. Give it a pause to try it on your own and then come back to see the answer. I'm going to go solve it. Again through the prime factorization method. 3136. This is an even number and it's a huge number, so I'm going to go simple and start with 2. One, 5, 6, 8. Then again, I'll take 2. 784. Now here, this is a number that is an even number, but it looks like a number that can be divisible by 3. So let's try. 3. Okay, no, this is not divisible by 3. Let's take 2. 3s are 9, 2. Take 2 again. Make this simple and slow. You want to first get an expertise in the method. Then you can go for bigger numbers. Now 196. Does that sound like an easy square number for you? Yes. 14 14s are 196. 14. If you do not know, then please continue with 2. Okay. There we go. Now we're going to again take pairs. 2, 2, 14. So 2 into 2 into 14, which is 4 into 14, and the answer is 56. So square root of 3136 equal to 2 into 2 into 14. This is the right way of stating it, which is 136 equal to 56. There you go. Now 151, our final number to deal with for prime factorization. So do take a pause here, pause the video, do the sum, and then get back to check your answer. 1. This is our last number for prime factorization. Now we cannot take 2 here because it's an odd number. Let's try with 3. For that, we're going to apply the divisibility rule of 3. 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. 9 is divisible by 3, so let's take 3. 5, 0, 7. Once again, it's divisible by 3. 3 is 1, 6, 9. Now 169, what does this remind you of? Well, it reminds me of 13. 13 into 13 equal to 169. 13, 13, 13, 1s are. Now pair 3, 13. So square root of 1521 equal to 3 into 13. Square root of 1521 equal to 39. Perfect. There you go. You're done with prime factorization. Congratulations. Now let's tackle long division. This is somewhat similar to long division that you've done before. Let's take the same numbers so that we know that our answers are right, and then we can explore some big numbers. I'll write them down in the description box. Do practice. So let's take, I say 3136. Here for long division, 3136, gonna draw the bus. I love these words, the bus, the ladder. Anyways, here for prime factorization, long division, you must take 2 numbers each. So 36 as one number and 31 as one number over here. Now, 31 as one number, you have to find another number, let's say 2 or 5, whose square root is the closest to 31. So 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25. Let's go for another. 6 6 are 36. Now 36 is larger than 31, so we cannot take 6. We have to take 5. Let's take 5. 5 here in the quotient. Minus 25. That's going to give you... You can make this bit wider. I guess I crammed it up. It's going to give you 6 as the remainder. Now get these two down to 636. Here you double this number. Double the number as in 5. You write 10. Now we have space for another number. Now this part is tricky. You're gonna have to listen to me carefully. 1 0, another number into the same number has to give 636. Get that? So it has to be this the number which is 636. The new dividend has to be the product of the new divisor into the ones digit. So since 636 ends with 6, let's take 106 into 6. See if that works. Gonna have to try 106 into 6. 36, 3 and 6. Perfect. You could even go with smaller numbers. 104 into 4. Because 4 into 4 gives 16. So you're going to be matching the ones digit. 16. But here, this does not give us the answer. So 106 into 6. 636. There you go. Our answer is 56. Let's try another sum. Maybe this will make it easier for you if you've still not got it. Trust me, this took me a while to learn as well. Let's take 1521. Okay. 1, 5, 2, 1. You draw the bus. Now 1521 is divisible by 3. Sorry, no. Now this is where you go wrong. You cannot see what is it divisible by here. You have to take it as pairs. 2, 1, 1, 5. Right. Now 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 9. 4 4s are 16. We've crossed 15. So 3 3s are 9. We're going to have to take 3 here. 3 3s are minus 9. And that's going to give us 621. Here, we take the double of 3. 6. Now we have one more digit coming up here. Besides 6. So 6, let's say 1. 61 into 1 has to be 621. That's not possible. I'm just giving you an example. So which number here will give us a square root? The ones digit here, its square root has to end with 1. For example, 4 4s are 16. So 16 ends with a 6. Like in this here. 6 6 are 36. It ends with 6. So we took 1 not 6 and it turned out to be the right answer. Similarly, which square root ends with 1? 9. So let's try 69 into 9. 69 into 9 should give us 621. 81. Perfect. That's 621. Which means 69 into 9 give us 621. And therefore, square root of 1521 equals to 39. There you go. We're also done with our second method, long division. I hope you guys understood this. If you have not, I'm still going to give you a few sums in the description which you can practice. Let's go to decimals. Which number do you say we take? Let's start with small numbers. 5.76. Finding the square root of a decimal is only possible by the long division method. Draw the bus. And here before the decimal, it should be counted as 1. And after the decimal, you have to start with pairs. Now what if the numbers after the decimal are 3, not an even number? Let's say 5.762. Then you take 5 as 1, 76 as 1, and then you add a 0 here and take 20 as 1. Anyways, a 0 after the decimal does not make any difference. The value will not change. So you can add a 0 there to find the square root. Anyways, let's get back to this 5.76. Now, same method for 5. What's the closest square root? 2 2s are 4. 2, 2 minus 4, 1. This decimal point goes up here now. And we bring down 76. Here, double of 2, 4. The number that comes here should have a square root that ends with 6. So 4 4s are 16, 6 6 are 36. These are the two numbers. Let's try with 4. 44 into 4 should give us 176. And it has. So 4 4s are 470. So square root of 5.76 equals to 2.4. There you go. Let's try some other number. I'd say let's go for a bigger decimal this time. Let's take a challenging one. I haven't tried this before as well. 761.76. That's a huge number, right? Now, let's draw the bus. For the previous one, 76 as one, 61 as one, and 7 as a separate one. Now we have to find the square root of a number that is closest to 7. Square of a number that is closest to 7. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. That's the closest. 361. Right? Now we double 4. We do not put the decimal point on top since it comes after 61. So that's for the next step. Now we double 2 4, and there goes our missing digit, unknown digit that's yet to come. Here first we can actually try to match 361, for which we need to use 9. 49 into 9. Let's try that. Nope, that's given us a way huge number, right? We don't need to complete it. We can see it's a huge number. Yeah, it's 441. That's huge, right? So which means because we still have 76 coming up after 361, we might not get the exact number, which means we have to find the closest number to 361. Let's try. 44 into 4, that be 16 176. That's too small. Let's go for huger numbers. 48 into 8. Let's try, that might work. This too is a bit huge, but close. That's coming up to 384. So let's try 47 into 7. That might give us the closest to number to 361. Right? 329. We subtracted 329. Perfect. We get a remainder of 32. And bring down 76. Now our new dividend is 3276. And what's going to be a divisor? Double of 17, which is 14. Now we're going to add this 4 to the tens digit over here. So 4 plus 1 makes it 5. Right? So our divisor will be 54 and a new number to come. Over there, now the last digit here, the units digit here is 6. So 4 4s are 16, and 36 into 6 equal to 36. So let's just try with 4 first. 544 into 4. Nope. So our answer should be 6. Let's just try it once. 546 into 6. 36. And 2. Perfect. 0.6. There you go. Our answer is ready. So the square root of 761.76 equal to 27.6. That's the end of our tutorial for square roots and cube roots. I hope you guys found it useful, simple and easy. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share and subscribe if you found this useful, and comment what you've learned today. Thank you. I'm going to post some practice sum in the descriptions. Keep practicing.